you are getting a silly, fun little update here. I am up on my bed just after finalizing the knitting projects that I'm going to take with me on a trip that I'm going on tomorrow, which is like crazy. This is a trip that we've been planning for a really, really long time, and we're finally getting to do it. It's to a place I've been before, and I'm getting to take more of the people that I love there. I don't like blabbing about travel plans a ton. It feels weird. But the high level, I'm going to be going back to Cornwall, and I'm really excited because in typical stroke of inspiration fashion, I have been reaching out to some folks who make really amazing yarns in the Cornish region of England, and I'm really hoping that one of them will take me up on my crazy request to let me come and visit. If not, you're still gonna get Yarny content. I know that's kind of a big ask for companies to be like, "Hey, can I just show up to your facility and like meet some sheep?" Right. So like I'm tempering expectations, but regardless, I've packed my own projects. I have had 3 more strokes of inspiration of other things I need to bring, so I'm gonna pack those up. But you're gonna be getting some travel crafting content because I will say, I feel like I am really good at crafting while I'm traveling. I know there are times where like, we'll take a project with us and be like, I'm gonna work on it, and then we don't. I feel like I've hit my stride of what projects to take and to actually work on. So I'm feeling pretty good. Got a whole bunch of socks lined up to work on, maybe a hat, but not an insane amount of projects. I'm hoping to be able to pick up some rare breed wools while I'm there, maybe some heritage breeds, but I would really love to score some rare breed wools. I have a little desired checklist of some of the breeds I want to pick up 100%, like single farm wools, right? Like that would be the dream. That's the hope. I have a list of stockists and other things. This is not like a wool trip. This is an actual work trip, work fun trip, where I'm going to be doing some stuff before we head out to Cornwall. That's more worky, but the yarn side, fingers crossed for me that I'm going to have really fun stories to share. Regardless, there's going to be fun stories, but really super fun stories to share. Here's hoping. Here's putting it out into the universe that good things will happen no matter what. And I have all my travel knitting packed, and I'm now thinking that I should add another project. So I should probably do that. Or not overthink it, right? What? Okay, sound off in the comments. Overthink it? You're good. Stop packing. I will ignore the comments because I'm going to continue adding yarn to my suitcase. So I'm off to do that. Hang out here and on Instagram as well if you want to see updates as I go on this yarny not yarny adventure. Okay, bye.